White gum is a sticky liquid extracted from cracks in the bark of certain trees, such as acacia. It starts as a transparent or milky liquid and gradually hardens into a solid. It is manually collected once it solidifies. White gum is a valuable material due to its unique properties, such as viscosity and flexibility. It is used in various industries, including food, in products like gum and jams, pharmaceuticals, as a thickening agent in medicines and ointments, and paper and printing industries. It also features in cosmetics, craft products, and art supplies. White gum is an important economic resource and is considered a natural material that requires skill and knowledge to extract without harming the trees.